5 amazing benefits of ginger are as follows. Number 1. Reduce muscle pain and soreness. Number 2. Alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation of the muscles in the uterus. Number 3. Lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 4. It contains antimicrobial properties, which has made it a natural immune booster. Number 5. Ginger can aid weight loss by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and promoting fat burning.